Miami has issued a tornado warning for central Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 2:45 p.m. Thank you for using VoiceText. You need to contact our sales support team to obtain a valid verification file. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Homestead Base. This version is strictly for demonstration purposes only. Or near Homestead Miami Speedway and is nearly stationary. This TTS demo is for testing and evaluation purposes only. Any unauthorized commercial use is prohibited. Hazard, tornado. This version is strictly for demonstration purposes only. Please contact our sales support team in order to obtain a valid license for commercial use. Source, radar indicated rotation. This is a demo of the VoiceText English TTS system. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. Tree damage is likely. This version is strictly for demonstration purposes only. Locations impacted include Black Point, Homestead Base, Homestead Bayfront Park, Cutler Bay, and Princeton. Thank you for using VoiceText. You need to contact our sales support team to obtain a valid verification file. Take cover now. This TTS demo is for testing and evaluation purposes only. Any unauthorized commercial use is prohibited. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.